Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Design Hut. Today I'll make a banner. So let's see what I will do. Now first of all I will fix my thumbnail, then I will start the other design. So first of all I sorry, I think first of all I will group this and delete this. Then I will make banner DSHG banner design. So now just I will change its color. Its color. I will make it green. Make it also the green. Also the green. And this color should be the green. I think this is okay. This is okay. And now I will save this, and now I will export it. Yeah, press it. Now I will open a new page which is 1280 into 420 man. I make it yellow and other side yellow. Then I will off it. So now see how it look like. I think it look very good to see. Now um, in this point you can write down what you want. What you want. You can write down what you want. Okay. Okay, now I can see. Then you can your title. What is your title? Your company title. You can fix there. You can fix there. You can fix there, and then you can write here your sorry address, and you can write here your address, and what you want. Write down anything. What and in this site, in this site, and you can see how to make a banner. This is smart banner. You can see smart banner, and now I will now see. I want to change this gradient font. Gradient font. Now let's see. Gradient font. I will take this. Yeah, take this, and I will make and I will make now. Now how it look like? Everything is look okay, and you can do many things in here. So do it what you want and make sure how it look like. And this is the end of today's class. I will show you more on the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.